Oh, the grip is insane. Oh, dude, we're passing a radical.
What's going on, guys? This is the Car Passion channel. My name is Craig Peters. This is the Toge MX-5. Been doing good. Oh, S2000 guy's coming. Sorry?
Your Uber has arrived.
Are you down? Yeah, right now? Cool. All right, I'm gonna go do this. Yeah. All right, thank you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Just gonna have some fun this session.
Woo!
Oh yeah. The
Oh yeah.
makes the car sound so much better.
Oh, we're flying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy hell, dude. What the hell? This is way more aggressive than last time. Oh my god.
Your tires will do.
Driver mod. Oh, the brakes. Oh. Oh, the grip is insane. Dude. Oh my god. Oh. Wow, that is fun. You're flying, dude. You're flying. Wow. Wow. Dude, this is crazy. Oh yeah. Nicely done. Wow. Oh, there's a radical up there. That's cool. Oh, wow. That is fast. We're gonna catch the radical. Wow. What would one of those things feel like, eh?
Probably so fun.
Oh, this thing is so much grip, it's insane. And your driving style is so much more aggressive now.
Thank you. Breaking leader. Shout out to James for that.
Yeah.
Good opportunity to get everything nice and warm, actually.
Oh, dude, we're passing a radical. Woo! Oh, dude, so good, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm hanging on for dear life. Woo! Dude, good stuff, man.
Round 2, fight.
my God. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. These feel so fast.
All right, one more hot lap and then do a cool down here.
Oh my God.
A little bit oversteer.
And we say bye-bye.
I can't keep up with that now.
Just a little more power.
All right, cool down, here we go.
Wow, that is unreal. Your driving has gotten so much better.
Thank you. Means a lot. Yeah, man. It's not me. Definitely James helped a lot, teaching me the lines, just getting comfortable with the braking zones,
Yep.
all of the above.
Just the grip is amazing.
Yeah, sure.
The supercharged guys, a couple cars behind us, or a car behind us. Wow. My hand is literally like cramping from holding this so tightly. Oh, I'm getting thrown around in here. Woo! Quick lap of the parking lot.
Yeah.
So good. Oh my God. Woo!
We're gonna blast the heat if you don't mind.
No problem. I'll open this up all the way. Wow. Unbelievable, man.
Thanks.
That is so awesome.